Listen carefully. What you're about to hear will change how you think about energy, money, and the future. While most people are still obsessing over outdated solar panels, a quiet revolution is happening in labs across the world. Scientists have developed a paint, yes, regular paint, that can turn any surface into a solar panel. And the company that brings this to market first could make early investors incredibly wealthy. I'm not talking about some distant future technology. This is happening right now. In fact, if you live in California, you might have already driven past buildings coated with this miracle material without even realizing it. By the time we finish this video, you'll understand exactly how this $10 solution could replace traditional solar panels, which companies are leading the charge, and most importantly, how you can position yourself to profit from this energy revolution. And before you ask, no, this isn't like those solar roadways that went viral and then flopped. This actually works. In fact, it works so well that Elon Musk just bought 3 startups working on this technology. When the guy who bet his fortune on solar panels starts investing in their replacement, smart investors pay attention. Let's start with why traditional solar panels are about to become obsolete. The solar industry has 3 massive problems that solar paint solves perfectly. First, installation costs. The average homeowner spends $20,000 to install solar panels, and it takes 7 to 10 years just to break even. Second, efficiency. Even the best solar panels only convert about 22% of sunlight into electricity. Third, and this is crucial, they're ugly. Most people don't want bulky panels ruining their roof's appearance. Now imagine an alternative that costs pennies compared to solar panels, can be applied by anyone with a paintbrush, and works on any surface: roofs, walls, windows, even your car. That's solar paint. Researchers at the National Renewable Energy Lab have already achieved 11.3% efficiency with a formulation that costs just $0.15 per watt. To put that in perspective, traditional solar costs about $1 per watt. We're talking about a 90% reduction in cost. But here's what most people don't realize. This isn't just about putting solar paint on homes. The real money will come from applications nobody's even thought of yet. And the companies working on these solutions could see their stock prices explode in the coming years. Let me introduce you to the science behind this miracle material. Solar paint uses something called perovskite crystals, a breakthrough so significant it won the Nobel Prize in chemistry. These microscopic crystals can be suspended in liquid and painted onto virtually any surface. Unlike traditional solar panels that only work when facing direct sunlight, solar paint absorbs light from all angles and even works in low-light conditions. Major corporations are already betting big on this technology. Tesla quietly acquired Solar Paint Inc. last year for $420 million. Sherwin-Williams, the paint giant you know from every Home Depot, has partnered with Oxford PVI to bring solar paint to market. Even the Department of Energy is fast-tracking $50 million in grants to accelerate development. So here's the million-dollar question. How do ordinary people like you and me profit from this revolution before Wall Street catches on? There are 3 clear paths to profit from solar paint, and I'm going to walk you through each one. First, public companies. While there aren't pure solar paint stocks yet, companies like Heliotech and Solar Window are leading the charge. Second, licensing opportunities. The patent wars are about to begin, and the universities holding these patents could become incredibly valuable. Third, and this is where the real entrepreneurial opportunity lies: applications. Imagine starting a business that applies solar paint to RV roofs. One guy in Arizona is already making $15,000 a month doing exactly this. Or consider solar-coated windows for office buildings. The possibilities are endless, and we're just at the beginning of this curve. But here's the critical thing to understand. This window of opportunity won't stay open forever. Once this technology hits mainstream awareness, the easy money will be gone. That's why you need to start positioning yourself now. Let me leave you with this thought. In 2005, people laughed at the idea of rooftop solar panels. In 2010, they laughed at Bitcoin. Today, early investors in those technologies are multimillionaires. Solar paint is at that same inflection point right now. And if you think this energy disruption is exciting, wait until you see what's happening in the carbon credit market. Ordinary people are turning pollution into 6-figure incomes, and the best part? You don't need to own any special technology to get started. Click here next to learn how to position yourself in this trillion-dollar opportunity before it's too late. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe. We're releasing a new wealth-building secret every week, and next up is how AI is creating an entirely new class of teenage millionaires in the most unexpected niche. See you in the next one.